Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka TMC Nagaro Hills Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ulong ba Jingjia Jingjia uway ubreo but min saujur uway nakada Jingjia Jingjia art denki arkan hun Rajabala West Garo Hills hanin ka sngi tho ding. Ka Namar ka jing sngap jar ka Sorkar bansha bandan ka jing ti mau Beaiñ hakati ka than. Ulong ba ka Sorkar MDA ka tabit bahaban Ailad ki kam Beaiñ ki banja ka jila. Dak baong baban pen bahaya ka di kalong ka ba bahaya ka Sorkar. Kumta ulong bagani ka Jingjia Garo Hills kalong ban pensisha ya ka jingdon ki kam Beaiñ ha jila ki baka Sorkar kamla ban te lakam. Udiyat hu ba datip bha na ki ekada bo ban ra ekani ka Jingjia henry ulong bagani ka Namar ka jingti mau Beaiñ kumta ulong bagani ka jingmi ki kam Beaiñ ha jingti mar po khando ni ki nu ki jingshala ni ki mar Beaiñ ka ban shim jingkit khle da ka bor sanshar ba khle nak banta ka jimintoi ka jila. Dr. Mukul ulapan pau ke jing sngusi halor ke jing klat no uwe ubrio bad lokit bak ru yo bam saujor bo un klan no bad lokin turu iki border district bakin lei ban penyesuk no iki ki arkin hun bad ban pentikna bukum kini ki jingja kinom jashu kum joru ula ong bakalong ke badan kam baki pat ba kin sngut ho bad shep tiang ya ka an.
Have heard about this news. I have not gone to the site. I have been talking to the people trying to find out exactly what is happening and to know from the ground zero. Now, what must be the circumstances pertaining to that particular incident is something which I am yet to be really be equipped with, because I must be sure of the inputs that I am receiving. But one thing I will tell you. See, this is also another. What has led to this kind of situation? Where is the place of occurrence? Place of occurrence is in those areas where illegalities are going on. You know what illegalities? Have you heard about that? Illegal stone quarry. So this government is the author of all illegal activities that is happening across the state. That's why the MRSSA is not implemented. The entry-exit point, the facilitation centers, we have identified number of areas across Assam-Meghalaya border in respect of Garos. Bordering West Garos, bordering Southwest Garos. What has happened to that? Now, every activity, whether it is illegal quarrying and then transportation of illegal mined minerals, everything would have been under strict vigilance for the authorities. The authorities could have taken cognizance of every attempt to engage in any illegalities at the cost, at the interest of the state. Now, if illegal activities are going on and that illegal activities pertaining to illegal mining of minor minerals, how it is flourishing there? How it is flourishing there in the first instance? Therefore, what I have heard is that because illegalities were going on, we have to know whether the members of the NGOs have gone to stop it, close it, or something else. We have to know. Now, in absence of correct information, that's why I'm saying I do not know exactly what has happened, leading to that particular unfortunate incident. I condole the loss of precious life, and I pray for the speedy recovery of those injured. But at the same time, at this juncture, I think the district administration should take all measures to restore peace first, because this particular incident have all the, this can be interpreted in giving a communal color also. That should be avoided under all costs. I will appeal to all concerned to see that good sense prevail, and everybody's effort should be first restore peace and do not allow these particular incident to create any kind of situation which will create communal hatred, because this must be considered as an incident which has unfortunately happened, and it has happened because of the government watching silently and allowing criminalities to happen in that part of the state. It is happening in Riboi, so you go. You can visit, we can go and have a drive, quick drive. Everywhere illegality is going on. So this government has perfected the art of allowing illegal activities, for whose interest we have to ask them, but against the interest of the people and against the interest of the state. Reversing this to restore order will be a tough job. So, recreating a state with the same kind of environment where people had the fear of law, I think it's important for the citizens of the state to understand that responsibility. We have to set the state in order. Today the state is in disorder. And the incident in Garo is just a testimony of that. It's just tip of the iceberg.